However, I had actually been teased for my height in all sorts of ways, from comments to more purchasing from gestures, like being patted on the head or having individuals lean on me. Women had likewise specifically declined me for being too short. And on a separate occasion, a lady I was with said she couldn't stroll next to me because it made her look tall. I marvel, considered that I have actually fought with low self-esteem, that these minutes didn't constantly consume me up inside. All of an abrupt, I began to compare my height with everybody I was strolling past in the street. Am I taller than him, her? Around the same height as him, her? Oh, she is shorter than me, thank God. I was likewise figured out to get my specific height measurement and felt deflated when the determining tape kept informing me I was 56. I believed I was 57. I expect this rejection may have made covert insecurities increase to the surface. When your height is used against you, and particularly if a romantic interest rejects you since of it, that can be hard to forget. Likewise, women choose a big height distinction in between them and a male partner, 21 centimeters, which implies they are more brought into tall guys, in basic, not always males, some short guys, who may be a bit taller than them. One found that physical strength determines over 70% of men's physical beauty. Signs of upper torso strength were considered far more attractive physical attributes to the female individuals than tallness. Moreover, while tallness may be biologically and culturally associated with perfect manliness, not everybody, specifically the kind of partner you want, is going to connect that much value to it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.